A day after exit polls suggested a sweep by the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, an internal survey of the BJP has now pegged the party's tally at 34, but also added that 16 seats are too close to call. It seems the BJP is still hoping that the internal survey's findings will turn out to be more accurate than the exit polls.
A day after Delhi saw an all-time high voter turnout of 67%, the BJP has scaled back its expectations.
We are being told that BJP's internal assessment says that they are getting 34 seats. They accept their defeat on 20 and then feel that 16 seats, or rather 16 constituencies out of 70 in Delhi, they are in tough fight.
But the BJP's internal survey is in sharp contrast from the exit polls that showed that BJP could be struggling on result day in Delhi.
I think we shall analyze all this on the 10th of February. The real story lies in projection of the vote shares for different parties. And these polls show a very narrow gap, 5 to 6% gap between Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
Even as the BJP puts up a brave face with its internal survey, the Aam Aadmi Party is clearly betting on the predictions of the exit polls.
बीजेपी का सर्वे कब कैसे किस तरीके से किया मुझे नहीं मालूम, मैं उस पर कमेंट भी नहीं करना चाहूँगी. मुझे लगता है सिर्फ एक कदम दूर है, कल का दिन है, परसों सब चीज़ सामने आ जाएगी.
The Congress, which seems literally out of contention in Delhi, is watching the events unfold.
No party in their internal survey will come to a conclusion they will be losing. Even in the internal survey, BJP is not giving itself the number which they were claiming before the election.
Even as they try to conceal their nervousness.
मैंने आपको कहा एग्जिट पोल है, फाइनल पोल नहीं है. मैम अगर मैं बार-बार बता रही हूँ कि हमको 10 तारीख तक वेट करना चाहिए, उससे पहले कंक्लूजन्स ड्रॉ नहीं करना.
The suspense is building for February 10th, the counting day in Delhi, when the people's verdict will be declared. With Aishwarya in Delhi, Tanvi Shukla for Times Now.